It has room for the whole plug, guys, and now it's out. To avoid confusion, we're gonna take this one there so it doesn't go anywhere. And this one is straightforward, so we're gonna cut it. Now you can see there is not enough room right here, so most likely at the time of the trimming we're gonna need to take them off. And these are T40s, I believe. Let's check. Yep. So T40. Actually, if we take only one, we will have enough room for the installation. So we're gonna go that way, okay? Put this one back. We're gonna take the front ones. It refuses to let go, so let's loosen up these bolts. Actually, this one is holding it. There it is. Okay guys, trimming process is just to load the covers and put them back on. Reverse process that what we just did. So very straightforward. For the console, when you trim the plastic, you have to put it carefully back in the same place that you took them off. And this one is the same thing, it's held by the plastic, it's not really staples, glue attached. Very simple process. If I see there is complications or if you have any questions, put it in the comments. And again, if there is some complications, I'll shoot the video so you see how it's done. Okay, I'll continue in the next video.